Hello children, good morning all of you. I hope everybody are safe at home. Today we are going to discuss about 8th class assignment number 45. Concept is on matrices children. So let us come back to the first question. If the given matrix is singular matrix, then what is the value of lambda? So first of all, for example, if any matrix, if A is singular, if A is singular matrix, okay, then its determinant becomes 0. Its determinant becomes 0. So we can say determinant of A equal to 0. So how to calculate the determinant of A? So this is 8 into, leave this column and this row, this is 7 minus 4 lambda, again minus of minus plus 6 into, again leave this row and this column, minus 6 minus 4 2 lambda, again plus 2 into, leave this row and this column, minus 6 7 and 2 minus 4. Okay, so this is 8 into, okay, this is becomes 0, then 8 into this is 7 lambda minus of minus into minus plus, minus of plus minus, 4 4s are 16. So this is 7 lambda minus 16. Okay, next plus 6 into, this is minus 6 lambda plus minus of minus plus 2 4s are 8. Okay, and then plus 2 into, this is 24. Okay, minus and minus plus 6 4s are 24, then minus 7 2s are 14 is equal to 0. Now 8 7s are 56 lambda minus 8 16s, 80 plus 48 128. Okay, then plus into minus minus 36 lambda. Okay, then plus 48. Okay, again 24 minus 14, this is 10. Okay, 10 2s are 20 is equal to 0. Then see here, 56 lambda minus 36 lambda, this gives 20 lambda. This gives 20 lambda. Then minus, okay, this is minus 128, this is plus 48 plus 20 plus 68. So minus 128, okay, plus 68. So this is how much it is, minus 60 is equal to 0. So from that 20 lambda is equal to 60. From that lambda is equal to 60 by 23. What is the value of lambda? Lambda value is 3. It is there in the first option. Okay children. So our next question is second question children. So again, if it is singular matrix, determinant of this matrix becomes 0. So given that the given matrix is singular, okay, then automatically its determinant, this determinant of, say for example, if it is A, that becomes 0. So how to calculate its determinant? That is determinant of 1 2 x and 4 minus 1 7 and 2 4 minus 6 is equal to 0. As you know, this is first row first column plus 1 into, okay, so leave this row and this column, 2 by 2 matrix, minus 1 7 and then 4 minus 6, again minus of, this is plus, this is minus, minus of second one is 2 into, again leave this row, this column, the rows and columns which belongs to the same element what we consider here, that should be left. Then the remaining elements 4 7 2 minus 6, 4 7 2 minus 6, okay, 4 7 2 minus 6, then plus x into, okay, leave this row and this column, 4 minus 1 2 4, 4 minus 1 2 4, okay, as it is singular this becomes 0. Now this is 1 into, okay, minus into minus plus, 6 1s are 6, minus 4 7s are 28, okay, minus 2 into, again 2 by 2 matrix determinant, minus 24, okay, minus 14, okay, plus x into 4 4s are 16, minus of minus plus 2 1s are 2 is equal to 0. So this is minus 22, 6 minus 28, minus 22, ones are this one, and minus 2 into, this is minus 38 plus 18x is equal to 0. Now you see this minus 22 minus of minus plus 2 times of 38, 76 plus 18x is equal to 0. Then simplify this. This is 6 minus 2 4, 7 minus 2 5. So this is plus 54 plus 18x is equal to 0. So 18x is equal to minus 14. From that x is equal to minus 84 by 18. So it is 3 times. Therefore x is equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 3. So it is there in the third option, children. It is there in the third option. So if the given matrix is singular matrix, the variable stands like x value refers minus 3 when the given matrix is singular matrix, children. Okay. So our next question is third one. So again, if the matrix is singular, then what is the value of cos 2 theta? So it is, since the given matrix is singular, okay children, its determinant becomes 0. Then this is cos theta, sin theta 0 and sin theta, cos theta 0 0 0 1 is equal to 0. Its determinant becomes 0. Then cos theta into, okay, leave this row and this column and this row, then this is cos theta 0 0 1, okay, then minus of sin theta into, children, you can do this determinant with respect to first column or with respect to, first row or with respect to first column also we can do in any manner, right? Leave this row and this column, then sin theta 0 and sin theta 0 0 1 plus, okay, 0 into, of course this is, leave this row and this column, sin theta cos theta, sin theta cos theta, this is 0 and 0, 0 and 0, okay, equal to 0, children. Now from this is cos theta into, okay, if you go for 2 by 2 matrix determinant, cos theta times of 1 cos theta minus 0 0 0 minus sin theta into, if you see this 2 by 2 matrix, children, determinant, sin theta times of 1 sin theta minus 0. Okay, 0 zeros. Again plus 0 into something, 0. Okay, now this is cos of cos square theta minus sin of sin square theta is equal to 0. You know very well, cos square theta minus sin square theta is one of the identity for cos 2 theta. Cos square theta minus sin square theta is nothing but cos 2 theta is equal to 0. See, cos 2 theta is equal to 0, then the real number 0 is equal for which angle in terms of cos function? You know, sin 0 0 means cos 90 0. So this is cos of 90 degrees. Okay. So anyway, they are asking just cos 2 theta value only. So that cos 2 theta value is 0. If you want theta, from this we can say 2 theta is equal to 90 or theta is equal to 45 degrees. That means pi by 4. If it is required, it is not there, they are not asking. Of course, that cos 2 theta value becomes 0. Okay, children. So next question. See, equality of two matrices. How to equate the matrices? By equating the same kind of elements like first row first column in first matrix and first row first column in the second matrix. So corresponding elements, on equating corresponding elements, on equating corresponding or like corresponding elements as the given matrices are equal. You see now, first row first column is x, here 1, therefore x is equal to 1. Okay, x is equal to 1 and y cube is equal to 8. First row second column, y cube is equal to, this is 8. Y cube is equal to 8 means, you know, y is equal to 2. Y cube is equal to 2 cube cancel, then y is equal to 2. Now what they are asking, you should find the inverse of this matrix. So let us substitute x 1, y 2, 2, 0. So what is the inverse of this matrix? For example, if A is equal to, say for example, A, B, C, D 2 by 2 matrix, then inverse of the matrix A is, generally it's like adjoint A by that A, children. So that A means this is 1 by AD minus BC into adjoint A means what? This is interchanging the trace and then additive inverses. So this is D minus B minus C, A is nothing but adjoint of A. So this is the formula to get the inverse of any matrix. So from that, so given that A is equal to, let it be A, that is 1, 2, 2, 0. 1, 2, 2, 0. Then we should find its inverse by, according to that formula, 1 by A, B, C, D. It is equal to A, B, C, D. So by comparing like terms, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 2, D is equal to 0. So AD minus BC, 1 into 0 minus 2 into 2. And then, so D, in the formula minus is there. What is the value of B? 2. And minus is there in the formula. What is the value of C? 2. And A means 1. So this is 1 by minus 4 into 0 minus 2 minus 2 1 or else if you take with each and every element, then it is 0 by minus 4, minus 2 by minus 4 means 1 by 2, and minus 2 by minus 4 means 1 by 2, and 1 by minus 4 means minus 1 by 4. This is the inverse of the given matrix. So it is 0, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 4. So it is there in the fourth option, children. It is there in the fourth option. So that's all for today's assignment. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and keep working. Thank you.